At Pritikin, you have a team of leading physicians, nutritionists, exercise physiologists, and psychologists, all focused on helping you reach your health and fitness goals.
Diets do not work. They are short-term fixes. How many times have you followed a diet, you've lost the weight, and you've gained the 10 pounds right back?
The food that you experience here in our dining room and learn about in our lecture halls will be some of the tastiest you've ever had.
Here at Pritikin, you have an opportunity to remove yourself from all the stressors and hassles of regular life and practice healthy lifestyle behaviors.
This is not a boot camp. It's about learning how to move safely, effectively, and pain-free.
Why are you struggling to exercise more? What's affecting your motivation? Let's figure that out together and try to learn new skills that can help you as you move forward.
The guests see profound changes when they're here, but the real transformation occurs, they tell us, is when they get home and they can take all that they've learned here and apply it in their everyday lives.
We want people to leave here feeling inspired, knowing that healthy food can not only taste good, but it's something that you can do at your house and you'll want to do it at your house. We will give you the tools you need to take this program home with you and feel happy you're eating healthier.
This is the place to restart, reset, and roll back the clock. Come discover a happier, healthier you at Pritikin.